Hi everyone, welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I am here to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2023 May-June Paper 3-2 Task 1, 2 and 3 about web authoring. Task 1, we need to prepare our evidence document. We have to create one Word document which should have our name, center number, candidate number on the top. So I will create one as my evidence document and will include here a header which will have my name, my center number, and then my candidate number. Then after, I will save this document with my candidate number and center number just like this. So on desktop, I have folder for paper 3-2. I will create this one as a Word document with these details, and I will write here underscore OM000 underscore 0297. So this is created. Now moving forward to the next step. This is called image editing and file management. So you need to create a new folder called TAS. So I will create a new folder called TAS. Then after, what I need to do is locate the following files into that folder. So I have the files here. I will get it from here. These files, copy, and we'll just paste it over here. And then we'll remove those files which are not required. So we need only the style sheet, pictures, and a video file here. So the rest we don't need them. For example, this one is not required. This one is not required. So we remove them. So the total number of items I have 9 right now. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done. After this step, we should start with open the file J2332 tiger.jpg in a graphics package. Edit the image by. So we need to open it in a graphic package. So I usually prefer the simple one, that is Paint, right click, open with Paint, and then let me reduce the zooming. So this is how it will look like. Now we need to rotate it by 180 degrees. So rotation 180 degree. Then after, reflect, flipping it horizontally so the tire is on the left. So rotate, horizontal flip, just like this. Tire is at the left now. Crop it to remove most of the tire from, but none of the tiger. So I'm going to select only this part of the image. Okay, I'll select it. Select the image. So most of the tire, but none of the tiger. So I will select again. So this selection should be done in such a way so tiger is not cropped, and then we'll just say crop. So the tire is gone, and then cropping it to remove everything above the tiger ears. So we need to remove everything about the tiger ears. That's all. Crop it, and then after it says resize it so that image is 1000 pixel high but without changing the aspect ratio. So resize without changing the aspect ratio, and here we need to change it to 1000 pixel high. So the height is going to be 1000 pixels, just like that. And then after cropping it to remove the right side so that the image is. So now after we have maintained the aspect ratio, we will start with cropping it to remove the right side of, so that the image is 500 pixel wide by 1000 pixel high. So the right side we need to remove now. So we need to crop it again, just like that. And we need to check the width here, if it is 900 pixel. So as you can see, the pixelation is here, it's not that accurate. So what we need to do is we need to carry on one more time to see, and we crop it accordingly then. Yeah, so we already resize pixel to 1000. Okay, the maintain ratio and the aspect ratio is maintained, done. And now you have to start cropping from the top. So we just need to get to only 1000 pixels, and then just like that. Once it is done, you just crop it, and then you can again resize it by mentioning here it's 500 and 1000. That's it. And then after, what you need to do is you just need to save the file with the name in the folder tiger underscore your candidate number. So file, save as a PNG picture, and I will go to my folder as I am already in this folder, and I will name it tiger dot 0297, my candidate number, but this should be as a PNG file. So that's a PNG file at the desktop. Now it is being saved. Now let's close this app and follow the next step. Display the content of your task folder, showing the folder name, all file names, file extension, image dimension, and file sizes, and take a screenshot to place it into the evidence document. So you need to go to your folder called tasks, and then click on view, click on content to see the clear view here, and then after you can just simply take a screenshot of this to include all the information about your folder. So that's your folder right now, and let me just close this one and go to open the folder which I have tasks. Yeah, so what I did actually, my picture was here, the one I saved, the tiger picture. Okay, I'm just looking for it right now, that where I have saved it. I think I have saved it into a different folder, so just have a look to it if I have saved. Yeah, it is here. So just cut it from here, and I will save it into the task folder, just like that. And now view and content. So I'll take the screenshot of my folder name with all the contents visible, and will place it as evidence 1. Now moving forward to the next task, which is starting with the web pages. You are going to create a web page and a style sheet to promote the Tawara Animal Sanctuary. The web page and style sheet must work in any browser. All color codes are in hexadecimal, and any new color code must also be in hexadecimal. Make sure that your style sheet contains no HTML, and make your HTML and style sheet as efficient as possible. So create in your folder, TAS folder, a web page called TAS. So I will just open the application Expression Web, and I will create a web page with the name TAS. So create a web page, and I'm going to save it with the name TAS into my folder on desktop with May June 32, or sorry, I need to have it into the task folder. So my web page is created. Now I need to create a table with 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 3 columns. So just go to table, insert 4 rows, 3 columns, and just insert. Now what I need to do is I need to merge these 3 cells. Then I need to merge these 2. Then I need to merge these 2. And then I need to merge these 3 cells. That's it. And then after, let me just call them A, B, C, and it's C. This one is actually D, and this one is E, and this is going to be F. These are our cells. Now we need to fix the width of this one to 80%, but before that I need to fix the table 80% of the window's width. So right click, table properties, and it should be 80% of the width of the window, just like that. And then after, what I need to do is I need to make this one 58%. So right click, cell properties, and as I mentioned, 58% width. Then this one 42%. Apply and OK. And then these two 29 and 29%. So right click, cell properties, and just say here 29%. Apply and OK. That's done. Now let's continue to the next step. At the set, each table cell is identified with a letter. It is done. Cell content and diagram must not appear in the final web page. Okay, and table border must not appear, so they are not appearing right now. Use video and source tag to place in cell B the video of the tiger in cell B. Just click here, remove this, and insert a media file. Okay, media window file, desktop, task folder, show all the files, media files. So we have the media playlist or video Windows media file, or let's see all files. So I have this file. It is now inserted. And next step, the video fit with the width of the cell. Display an appropriate text-based error message if the browser does not support the video. So now you have to include these messages. If the video is not supported by the system, what kind of message it should display. So now what we need to do is we simply need to go to the code, and then we need to type the message. So right click and activate properties, and then just go there to parameters, object tag, and then after alternate representation, and we are just going to type over here, as they mention, a message. So your browser, okay, your browser does not support this video file. That's it. And then after, you just simply click on apply and OK. And now the next step is to let's see how it works. I will just save and preview in the web browser, for example Chrome. So the video file does not work right now, okay, because we need to make some changes to it. Is an active file, so we can just simply, instead of that, we can type the code even. If I remove this one and I go to the code of this cell right now, that's the code. So instead of that, I will just simply type here in this one that I need a video, okay, with the width of 100%, and then the video should be autoplay, and that autoplay is a loop. Close, and then after I will just simply mention here source src, then we'll just simply say here space the name of the video equal to, and it's going to be J2332 tiger.mp4. That's what we have to name it, and they named it. And then after, it's going to be type, and type is equal to video and then /mp4. This is what it is. And then after, as they mentioned, we need to have the error message as well, that your browser does not support this video file. That's it. Now click on save and preview into the web browser. So the video is here. So when you click on it, you can just simply play the video file here. Okay. Now moving forward to the next step. And in next step, what we need to do is we just simply continue with the next step. Here we are with this. Perfect. Okay, now let's go back to design view and let's continue with the next steps. As they mentioned, place in cell A image of the banner. Cell A, image of banner. Insert a picture from file, and that's the banner. Just insert, alternate is banner, and then after we need to insert the image of a tiger which you save in step 1 in cell C. In cell C, image of the tiger that we just cropped and we arranged. So that's a tiger image. Okay. And then after, what we need to do is in cell E and F, E image of monkey, in cell E. So insert image of a monkey, and in the other cell we need to insert the image of elephant. Monkey, okay, and the image of an elephant. So image of elephant. Elephant, that's it. After these images are inserted, so now we need to go to the code to fix them with the final preview. Okay, once it is done, as I said, make sure the aspect ratio is maintained for all images, set alternate images. Okay, so it is done. Now let me just click on save and preview into the browser and how it will look like. So this is how it look like right now. It cover almost the whole page. Okay, and then after, what we need to do is that displace in cell D the content of the file J2332 task.txt. So we need to go to this folder, tasks, copy this all, and in cell D we need to include this, and this one should be as, they will definitely mention, should be as 2 paragraph. Add as a third paragraph the text web page edited by, then followed by your name, center number, candidate number. So you can just say here this, followed by your name, your center number, and your candidate number. And this one should be in H2. So select them all and change it to heading style H2. Then we have to create a hyperlink from the image J2332 elephant to open a web page, this one. So simple, copy, and we can just simply go there, the image of elephant, right click and hyperlink to existing web pages. As we have to the folder we need to go is the task folder, desktop, and then we have the task folder, this web page. So this is going to be our hyperlink. Click on OK, and then next step, that you need to create a hyperlink for the monkey to send an email. So right click, hyperlink in email to task@cambridge.org with the subject line support a monkey. Click on OK, and then next step, attach a style sheet to your web page. So format and attach a style sheet. This style sheet is given to you M2321. Sorry, it should be J2332. So format style sheet, manage style sheet. This one should be removed. Add one more, and we need to go to the folder on desktop, tasks. That's your style sheet. The style sheet is applied, and next step is that save your web page and display your web page in the web browser to take the screenshot. So save this one, and I have already displayed into the web browser. Now what I need to do is I'm going to reduce the width and size of the content so that I can get a clear view, something like that, with the video, and then after we'll just paste it as an evidence into my evidence document. So I will just take a screenshot. And this is going to be my screenshot for my video. And then the next step is to copy all the source code and paste it into your evidence document. So code, copy this all and save it into your evidence document. Save, and then that's all from the video web page part of this paper. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have learned about how to deal with the web pages. Please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.